A lot of us are thinking to buy or invest a property here in the Philippines. But Jaire, what if I'm here in the United States, I'm here in Australia, or in other parts of the world? I am an OFW here, or I am based abroad. Well, for today, we will discuss that it is really possible for you to acquire a property even without being physically here in the Philippines. This is me again, Jaire, your property geek, and we will discuss the step-by-step process and requirements for you to be able to buy a property or invest here in the Philippines even when you're outside the country. And at the same time, I will recommend why a 150 square meter lot area is the perfect retirement lot size if you don't want to retire in a condo. More of this, buyer's market right now. Stay tuned in this video. We're here in Third Space Commons, a library and co-working spaces and events studio here in Three Monkeys, New Valley. And now, I will start on discussing, Jaire, ano yung mga requirements para mapaghandaan namin, and maybe patayin natin yung misconception na baka ang daming requirements, madaming madadagdag para lang makapag-invest kami. Well, in my 6 years of experience here in real estate, 95% of my clients are from abroad and bought a property from me even without being physically here. So, nakita na lang nila yung property nila kapag nagbabakasyon sila dito. But the good news is that strategy may save you millions of pesos because you will lock in the price at the time of your reservation at grabe, kabilis yung development dito sa area. And right after that, i-discuss ko sa inyong project na to, 150 square meter lot with an 18-month down payment term at 0% interest for as low as around 21,000 pesos for their minimum lot cut. Kasi maraming nagsasabi din sa akin, Jaire, gusto namin na mag-invest ng lote dyan. Gusto namin mag-downsize kasi for a retirement property, dalawa lang naman kami. Pero ayaw namin ng napakalaking lawn or backyard, just enough space for us, pero hindi condo. Baka ito na yung perfect property and lot size para sa inyo. At magugulat kayo kasi 4 bedrooms ang kasya para sa lot size na to. Magsisimula tayo sa ating requirements at kung ano yung step para makabili ng property. Well, number 1, I want to reiterate na basta naturally born Filipino ka, kahit wala ka ng hinuhold na Filipino citizenship right now, you can still own up to 1,000 square meter lot area. Again, even if you don't have a Filipino citizenship right now, basta pinanganak ka dito sa bansa natin, dito sa Pilipinas, you can still own up to 1,000 square meter residential lot. Pero kung gusto mo na unlimited, kahit at least nag-hold ka ng Filipino citizenship. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Magpapa-dual citizen ka. So, pwedeng Filipino-American, Canadian-American, Australian-American. Basta, dual citizen and one of which is a Filipino citizenship. Ano pa yung mga dapat nating i-debunk? Jaire, kapag ba nasa ibang bansa kami, magkaiba ba yung loan interest rate kapag nandito kami sa Pilipinas versus yung mga locals or nakatira dyan sa Philippines? Ito yung i-debunk natin. If you are holding again at least a Filipino citizenship, dual citizen ka, kung ano yung home loan rate na binibigay ng mga bangko or local banks dito sa Pilipinas sa mga nakatira dito or mga Filipinos, same lang po. Kung 6.5% interest rate per annum, 6.5% interest rate per annum din. Basta, nag-hold ka ng dual citizenship, ang isa doon, Filipino citizenship. What if wala akong Filipino citizenship right now? Doon tataas ng konti yung interest rate per annum at selected banks lang po yung nag-o-offer ng home loan para sa mga non-Filipino citizenship holders. So minsan umaabot siya ng 10% to 15% interest rate per annum. Kaya if you are really serious to loan your property here in the Philippines, I highly suggest na magkaroon kayo ng dual citizenship. Number 3, if you really want to retire in a condominium unit, kahit hindi ka mag-hold ng Filipino citizenship, pwede kang bumili ng condo dahil foreigners can own condos here in the Philippines. And it is a perpetual ownership, meaning parang bumili ka ng lote or bahay at lupa. Forever nang sayo yung condo na yon. Again, if you wanna buy or if you're planning to buy a condo, no need to get a Filipino citizenship because foreigners can buy condos here in the Philippines. When it comes to age limit, most of my clients nasa 40s, nasa 50s, so may sinusunod rin tayong age limit kapag maglo-loan na naman ulit sa Pilipinas. Ang pinaka maximum na age limit is from 65 to 70 years old. Yun yung gap, no? Or yun yung max para makapag-loan ka dito sa Pilipinas. So for example, 50 years old ka. Kung ang maximum ng isang local bank in general kasi up to 65 years old, so 65 minus 50, pwede ka pang mag-grant ng up to 15-year loan term kapag maglo-loan ka lang sa bank. Pero kapag naman magka-cash payment term ka or hindi ka maglo-loan, babayaran mo yung total contract price ng property na binili mo during the duration of the down payment term, no need na naisipin yung maximum age kasi walang magiging limit yung age. Yung age nagmamatter lang kapag maglo-loan ka sa bangko. And next one, yung ating income documents. Ina-accept po yung income documents or mga pay stubs natin sa ibang bansa. So kahit naka-US dollars siya or kahit anong currency yan, ina-accept dito. And this is a good to know, may mga developers na tumatanggap ng credit card for the reservation hanggang sa down payment term. For as long as it's MasterCard or Visa, kahit na credit or debit card yan, you can use it for the payment of your property. So I hope naka-help yung mga sinabi kong mga fun facts or maybe yung mga kailangan nating malaman para medyo magkaroon ng clarity sa mga isip natin na itong mga iniisip ko, Jaire, na akala ko hindi pala pwede or nang akala ko mahirap pala, pero marami palang nagagawa na paraan, lalo na kapag may Filipino citizenship ka. So again, kahit wala kang Filipino citizenship, for as long as pinanganak ka dito, pwede ka pa rin pong mag-invest ng property here in the Philippines. So mag-start na tayo sa process on how I acquire a property or invest a property there in the Philippines even without me being physically here in our country. So number 1, madali lang yon. So technically, nauuso na po ngayon yung Zoom presentation, e-tripping na tinatawag na kahit wala ka dito, we can take a video. Or ito ang ginagawa natin sa YouTube, sa Facebook, nakikita nyo na yung property, hindi na po nagiging hadlang, no? Yung wala kayo dito face-to-face para makita nyo yung development sa area. That's why we keep on updating you through our long format videos here in YouTube and in Facebook. So number 1, kapag nakapili na tayo ng project, for example, Solen Residences, nakapag-present na ako sa inyo, nakita nyo na yung payment term, the first thing that you have to prepare is your 2 valid IDs each. If you are married, tagdalawa po kayo ng husband or wife ninyo. Kahit hindi po Filipino ID, they can still accept it. US passport, Philippine passport, US driver's license, or Philippine driver's license. Basta, government-issued ID din kung nasan kayong country. Number 2, for the proof of billing. For the proof of billing, kahit internet, electricity, or water, dyan for example sa United States or sa Australia or sa Dubai, basta nakapangalan sa inyo at naka-address sa inyo, pwede po siyang i-accept. Most likely, mas maganda na yung address na nakalagay sa proof of billing is yung address din na nakalagay sa identification cards ninyo. Number 3, proof of income. Any latest 3 months na pay stubs, pwede na nating ibigay yan kahit online. It is acceptable. So, kahit certificate of employment yan, basta naka-reflect yung compensation or benefits, pwede. Pero ang pinakamadali, dahil na-generate na lang online, is our latest 3-month payslip. Pwede yon. Yung ibang developer nanghihingi ng latest 6-month bank statement. So, depende on how they will screen you. Pero lahat, kahit soft copy, lahat through email, acceptable siya. So again, the first 3 basic requirements, proof of identification, proof of billing, and then proof of income. And then after that, you may pay your reservation payment. Usually, may mga partner payment facility yung mga developers natin. So, you can just click the link na ipoprovide nung mga developer. Again, meron pong own bank account details and own payment facility yung mga developer. Never ever, no, na ipadala yung inyong mga reservation payment not unless may agreement kayo and tinatrust nyo talaga yung mga brokers or realtors nyo here in the Philippines na sa kanila ipadala. Pero if kaya naman, dun agad sa bank details at dun agad sa payment partner facility ng mga developers natin. Dun na natin magagamit either ating debit card or credit card. Most commonly used are MasterCards or Visas. And then after that, ipapadala na naman ulit soft copy yung reservation form. So if you fill out nyo lang yun, mga personal information yung ilalagay nyo, after you fill it out, ibabalik nyo lang ulit through email sa developer. So ganun lang kadali. Pero Jaire, how do we authenticate these soft copies? That is a very good question, di ba? Ako yung nagtanong, ako rin yung magsasagot. So for that, yun kasi magtanong ka din. So for that guys, dun na magsisimula na ipapadala na ng mga developers yung tinatawag nating contract to sell. So kapag na-screen ka na nila, okay na yung mga reservation documents, okay na yung mga proof of income identification sa kanila, ipaprocess na nila agad yung contract to sell. So, yun yung kailangan natin na i-notarize or apostille sa ibang bansa or i-consularized. So, gagamit tayo ng mga courier natin, just like LBC and FedEx, ipapadala lang sa inyo, pati yung mga kailangan ng wet signature nyo. Kasi sa una, pinadala nyo lang yung soft copies ng IDs nyo. Yung iba, nagre-require ng wet signed na 3 sa tabi ng mga printed photocopies ng IDs nyo. So lahat ipapadala lang sa inyo, ipapa-apostille nyo lang yan or ipapa-consularize nyo lang yan sa pinakamalapit na Philippine Embassy. Yung iba kasi malayo yung Philippine Embassy, kaya yung other option is apostille. Again, apostille or consularization are both acceptable. So, yeah, ganun lang kadali. Actually, mabilis lang, no, yung pag-process ng mga paperworks. Ibabalik nyo lang ulit yung apostilled or consularized documents dito sa Pilipinas and then that's it. And if you bought on a pre-selling property, mahaba yung down payment term, i-enroll nyo lang yung card ninyo through that payment facility. May option doon yun ng duration, for example, from August 2026 to August 2028. So, parang mag-auto-debit na lang siya per month. Kahit credit card, pwede. So, ganun lang siya kadali. And then, kapag ito-turn over na yung property nyo, deed of absolute sale na hanggang sa maglo-loan tayo, ano tayo ng SPA. So, kung ayaw nyo nang ipapadala sa inyo, kapag maglo-loan na tayo at kapag nagbakasyon kayo dito sa Pilipinas, pwedeng through special power of attorney. So, the bottom line is, acceptable po, very adaptive na yung mga developers. Ganun lang kadali yung proseso natin. Sa una, ipapadala muna yung mga soft copies, fill it out, and then bring back the scanned copies. And then, yung contract to sell, saka na nila isi-ship. Kasi yun na yung kailangan ng wet signature nyo for apostille or consularization. If you have other questions para sa process of buying a property even without being physically here, my number is here, naka-flash sa screen, as well as my official business email address. And right now, we have a perfect 150 square meter lots available sa Solen Residences. Now, marami na akong finlash na projects ngayon. This project is selling like a hotcake right now at ito pa rin yung i-feature ko kasi maraming nagtatanong sa akin na magre-retire here in the Philippines but they don't wanna live or retire in a condominium unit and they don't wanna buy a big property na nagre-range ng mga 300 to 400 square meters at minimum. So, naggawa si Solen Residences ng paraan na kahit final phase na nila to, maliliit na lot cut at napakababa ng monthly down payment because it's technically buyer's market right now at maganda yung promo natin for this month of August 2026. So, balik tayo, mag-review tayo kung bakit kaganda si Solen. Una, sa location. On the top view, makikita natin agad ito yung location ni Gate 1, ito yung location ni Gate 2. Mapapansin nyo na nasa magkabilang end siya ng master plan community ng Solen. Napaka-smart ng ginawa. Si Gate 1, kapag dito ka dumaan, ang mga landmarks dito, University of Santo Tomas, Eton City Square, University of the East, and the nearest SLEX exit just 3 minutes away from Solen Residences Gate 1 is the Eton City SLEX exit connecting Skyway 30 to 40 minutes away going to NAIA, Makati, and BGC hanggang North Luzon at saka SC-TEX na yan. Pero, kapag for example may bottleneck, hindi maiiwasan, uwian ng company, uwian ng schools, you have Gate 2. And Gate 2 has a different access to another different SLEX exit, which is Santa Rosa SLEX exit. The landmark, Laguna Bel Air, Coca-Cola Company, and Enchanted Kingdom. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka mawawalan ng option. Hindi to katulad ng ibang subdivision na kahit may 2 to 3 gates, iisa lang yung papasukan mo na daan. At imagine ha, hindi lang to different routes na connecting lang sa isang SLEX exit. Magkaiba po yung SLEX exit na options ninyo. Dumaan ka sa Gate 1, Eton City SLEX exit, Gate 2, Santa Rosa SLEX exit. At ito yung hindi nakikita ng nakararami na may napakagandang long-term benefit when you are living here in Solen Residences. You will save time and you will save energy and transportation costs kapag naiiwasan mo yung mga traffic dahil walang magiging bottleneck in the future. Number 2, very essential na yung hospital dito. And not just your usual hospital, we need a top hospital na magpo-provide ng quality healthcare and facility when we retire here in the Philippines. The good news with Solen Residences, this is just 3 minutes away from the Medical City South Luzon and 10 minutes away from Healthway Medical Hospital. Yung dalawa na yan, major hospitals not just here in Santa Rosa but in the whole South Luzon. Number 3, malapit to sa essentials or grocery. Malapit tayo sa Paseo de Santa Rosa where Shopwise is located and yung South Supermarket. And since Solen Residences is the only a premium segment na nag-hold ng Santa Rosa address na nag-offer ng 150 square meter. Fun fact, alam nyo ba na mas malapit pa siya sa commercial spaces and commercial hub ng Nuvali kaysa sa mga residential developments ng Nuvali na Calamba na po yung address. Again, laging kapag mag-i-invest tayo, we are investing in real estate property na hindi short-term yung tinitingnan natin. Sabi ko nga lagi, pwede tayong mag-invest sa stocks, pwede tayong mag-invest sa cryptocurrency, pero sa real estate investment, may assurance tayo na there's no way but to go up, but we need patience. Hindi to katulad ng mga stocks na kapag nag-shoot up yung market, para tayong nanalo sa loto. Pero real estate still the best investment if gusto mo na talagang laging pataas yung value ng kinapital mo or ng investment mo. And one of the big factors is the location. Yung location ni Solen Residences na nakagitna sa lahat, accessibility, going to Manila, Ninoy Aquino International Airport, surrounded by big universities such as University of Santo Tomas, University of the East, Mapua Malayan Colleges Laguna, and very near De La Salle University Laguna Campus, and of course, commercial area just like Ayala Malls Nuvali, SM Nuvali, Paseo de Santa Rosa, and hospital, the Medical City South Luzon, and Healthway Medical Hospital. Wala pong ganitong pinakamagandang project na nag-o-offer ng 150 square meter lot. A very perfect lot size. At ang maganda dito, kung ang entry point natin is at 16 million for other subdivisions here in Metro Santa Rosa, here in Solen Residences, you can own a lot property in less than 8 million, around 7.8 million pesos to be exact. And you don't need to pay in cash. Mag-reserve ka lang ng 50,000 pesos the following month. Mag-e-enter tayo ng 18-month down payment term at 0% interest for as low as around 21,000 pesos per month. And yung balance na matitira after 18 months, we can loan it through bank or we can pay it in cash. Magbubukas na this October yung big malls here in the Philippines and we don't want na maabutan ng malaking price shoot up dito sa area. Again, we just have to reserve para lang ma-lock in yung property. Huwag tayong titingin sa total contract price kasi hindi naman yun yung talagang kinapital natin or nilabas natin. Naka-low monthly down payment lang tayo. And that is the power if you are buying on a pre-selling property just like Solen Residences. So let's recommend one lot available in Solen Residences, Phase 1D. This is exactly 150 square meter lot area, Block 15, Lot 12. So the total contract price, including VAT, including transfer of title expenses and miscellaneous fees, wala na pong magiging hidden charges, is at 8.2 million pesos. Actually, the price of the lot is only at 7.8 million pesos. Meron pa po tayong discount na 50,000 pesos for the August promo term. So, how does the computation looks like? Magre-reserve ka lang ng 50,000 pesos for August 2026. From September 2026 to January 2028, maghuhulog ka lang ng 20,269.92 pesos. So, 20,269.92 pesos in US dollars, that's just $332 per month. Again, $332 per month. At sa ika-18th down payment, magbaballoon payment ka lang ng 394,580 8 pesos and 64 centavos. Yung maiiwan mo na balanse after the down payment term, 1.5 year, is at 7.4 million that you can loan it through bank or pay it in cash. So, ganyan lang po kababa, no? Yung magiging monthly payment natin. Again, only $332 per month. And at the same time, you are getting a 150 square meter lot cut. Imagine, you're just buying a condominium unit. Mas mahal pa nga yung mga condo sa Manila. Pero, you are owning a lot in Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. Again, please take this opportunity. Mahirap na po ang lot investment here in the future, lalo na kapag nagbukas na yung big malls for the next year kasi grabe yung price appreciation within just a short period of time. And kung makikita nyo sa mapa natin ng Phase 1D, this is the latest phase of Solen Residences. Magkakaroon kayo ng Gate 2 at ng sarili nyong amenity area. Marami pa po na available. Yung mga walang star, yun yung available lots. So imagine if you want a slightly bigger lot cut, meron sila at meron pa pong mga corner lots. So just inquire to me, I can present you the whole Solen Residences presentation. And why am I pushing Solen Residences? I keep on pushing it because this is the last project within the area that will offer a healthy lot cut of 150 square meter. So, napakaganda na mag-enter tayo. Ako, nag-invest ako ng lots dito kasi dadating po talaga yung panahon na hindi na magiging affordable yung lot investment here sa area. Condominium na lang talaga. Kaya if meron tayong extra money, hindi naman malaki, wala ngang spot na 10% at minimum sa unahan si Solen makakapag-lock in na tayo. Not a condo unit, but a lot. Owning a Santa Rosa address here in Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. And at the same time, I want to show you again ano nga ba yung itsura ng bahay sitting on a 150 square meter lot area. So, pinakita na namin ito sa last vlog namin. So again, ito 4 bedrooms sitting on an exact 150 square meter lot area. And mind you, magkakaroon ka ng 4 bedrooms. Sa baba, ganito kaluwang yung living and dining area mo, and then you can have your own granny room, flex room, or office, and then 3 bedrooms sa taas, magkakaroon ka pa ng master's bedroom with its own toilet and bath, at magkakaroon ka pa ng common toilet and bath sharing for the 2 bedrooms. So, malaki siya. Minsan kasi iniisip natin, parang alit naman ng 150 square meter lot area, Jai. Pero imagine, kapag natayuan na ng bahay with a very good layouting, architectural works, mai-utilize mo talaga yung size mo na meron ka pang garden na nakapaikot sa area mo. May maid's room and may garage and still may open space. Again, ito yung sinasabi ko na kapag mag-i-invest tayo, we have to think smart. Hindi lang natatapos sa pagbili ng lote yung property natin. Itong si Solen Residences offering a very healthy lot cut and wala po sa outskirt or wala po sa mga likod yung area ng project na to. Usually kapag ganito kamura, nasa likod ka, mahirap puntahan, mahaba yung biyahe, pero ito, you are getting almost all ng kailangan mo. Actually, parang lahat na nga accessibility, surrounded by your needs, establishments, educational, and at the same time, 150 square meter lot area in less than 8 million pesos. If gusto niyo pa po makahabol habang meron pa tayong inventory kay Solen Residences, please feel free to contact me using my mobile number +63927-185-1590, my business email thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. Again, we have to beat po yung magiging price appreciation come October to November this year. This is me again, Jaire Mamaklay, at I hope meron kayong natutunan from the process of buying a property even without you being physically here in the Philippines up until sa recommended project ko if you want to retire here and build your retirement home with a very perfect lot size of 150 square meter in Solen Residences. Again, till our next vlog, this is Jaire, your property geek.